In the heart of Louisiana, a culinary tapestry unfolds, woven from diverse cultural threads. Native American tribes like the Choctaw and Kittimacha laid the foundation, introducing fillet powder and smoking techniques, pivotal in dishes like gumbo. The African influence, born from the transatlantic slave trade, brought okra and rice, crafting the soul of jambalaya and gumbo. French and Spanish settlers left their mark with roux, pastries, and spices, birthing Creole cuisine. German immigrants in the 18th century introduced sausage making, giving rise to the beloved andouille sausage. The late 19th century saw Italian and Sicilian flavors blend into the mix, with the muffaletta sandwich as a delicious testament. Caribbean and Latin American influences added tropical fruits and spices, enriching street food offerings. In recent decades, Vietnamese immigrants have infused fresh herbs and rice noodles, creating unique local fusions. This vibrant mosaic of flavors and traditions makes Louisiana's food culture a celebration of diversity, history, and innovation, where each bite tells a story of its rich past.